Thank you for watching Buckeye Tractor's review of specialty farm equipment used for fresh market or wholesale production of vegetables, fruits, and flowers, plus some applications for nurseries and landscaping. A full line of bed shaping and plastic mulch application equipment includes all-in-one combination models as well as separate bed shapers and mulch layers. Expect filled and firmed beds without big horsepower. Bed shaping can be as simple as a single pass over prepared soil before planting, or integrated in various ways with tillage to manage moisture, residue, and timing of tillage work. Buckeye bedders are fully adaptable to several bed shaping methods. This is equipped for stale bedding or finishing primary beds. Drip tape applicators are fully compatible on bed shapers or mulch layers. Disc bedders are tough in rocks, work in wet conditions, and cut through residue, which is usually after harvest. Manage primary bedding with fall tillage and reduce field work in the spring. Form larger beds for nursery stock or berries. Attachments can be added to shape and firm beds as preferred. Mulch layers apply material on raised beds already made, or on flat beds. Layers were originally made for black plastic mulch, but biodegradable mulch, colored mulch, paper mulch, and woven materials are all compatible. Note that some materials are not as stretchy, so there may be practical limits on bed height. Here is mulch application on 10-inch beds, done with a high clearance mulch layer. Combine bedding and mulching field passes after conventional soil preparation. Soil needs to be tilled deep for a good seedbed after one pass bedding. Combos became popular on easy working soils, but can be equally adept in other soils tilled equally well. Drip tape applicators are typically mounted on bed shapers or mulch layers to apply tape at the same time. We were the first to offer an automatic brake that fully releases the tape when the tractor goes and smoothly applies the brake when the tractor slows or stops. And it's provided outstanding service for more than 20 years. Multi-row tape applicator toolbars are also available. Apply tape just under the surface or use heavy-duty shanks to place tape down to 18 inches. Water wheel planters are simple in form and function to mechanize planting on any farm. This is the popular 130-gallon model. Many wheel configurations are available for near-precision plant spacing. Change plant punches as needed or use one wheel for multiple crops. We were the first to offer removable punches. Smaller growers greatly streamline planting with the 65-gallon single-seat model. Twin tank models are available with 130, 200, or 250-gallon capacity. Planting on foot is greatly simplified by mounting wheel punchers behind the mulch layer or bed shaper to mark rows and plant locations. Rows are also centered on beds for precision cultivation. Cultivators are available in many configurations for seedbed prep or row crop cultivation on raised or flat beds. Customized with many types of tillage attachments to match crops and tillage conditions. Tell us what you need for early or late tillage. Components are adjustable on full-width toolbars to match your row system. Here are some common cultivator attachment packages. Raised bed cultivators can feature a shaper pan with gaps to allow rows to pass through. Reshaping the bed may not be essential, but the rolling soil action buries smaller weeds. This is simple for bed maintenance and precision cultivation. Mulch lifters are tillage tools that fracture soil on buried mulch edges and equipped to cut through residue and weeds after harvest. Lifters are typically built heavy, but the need for big horsepower is not typical. We also have a Category 1 model for tractors under 45 horsepower. Cultivators are easily convertible into mulch lifters. Heavier models may satisfy bigger growers. These toolbar frames are also used to set up chisel plows. We have many choices to bring primary tillage work to fresh market farms. Plastic removal systems are comprehensive. The level of mechanization depends on level of investment. Roll up plastic into bundles that can be carried by hand. Stationary winders pull loose material from the end of the field. Automatic winders travel the rows to pull material from soil and residue and wind it up evenly on spools. Like mulch lifters, bed lifters can be set up on different toolbars for any size of tractor or any need for the toolbar. Additional toolbars allow attachment of gauge wheels and coulters. We are your source for heavy, well-built small farm tillage equipment. Here's the popular S-tine and rolling basket combination for seedbed preparation. Heavy-duty 3-point mounted disc harrows. Chisel plows work soil deep and mix residue. Pull 3 or 4 shanks with as little as 40 horsepower. 5, 7, and 9 shank models offer full width tillage for 60 to 125 horsepower tractors. Ripper shanks can be arranged for general field fracture or to loosen compacted furrows between raised beds. Subsoilers reach well below plow depth, up to 20 inches, and may require up to 50 horsepower per shank. Manage tillage and bed shaping together with permanent beds. Bed harrows cut up residue, lightly till the bed top, and leave the beds intact. Use after harvest to work in cover crops or for basic weed control on stale beds. Bed reconditioners are all-in-one tools to lightly cut and mix cover crops or post-harvest residue, as well as loosen compaction in furrows and firm the bed top. With less residue, this S-tine and rolling basket cultivator keeps raised beds in shape with light tillage. Rework stale beds or give beds a final prep before planting. All bed reconditioning equipment can apply drip tape on the final pass or work over top drip tape already in the ground. Complete descriptive catalogs are on the website and have nice printable pages. Feel free to call 1-800-526-6791 for direct service. We're located in Columbus Grove, Ohio, and welcome your visit.